Could Wall Street institutions actually file for an XRP spot ETF? That's the topic of today's video. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Of course, we're waiting for a spot ETF for Bitcoin and eventually, I think, a spot ETF for Ethereum. But after that, we have to ask ourselves, what else, right? And we take a look at some of the, trusts out there like Grayscale. They have a collection, a basket of cryptos, if you will, some of the top cryptos making up in that fund. I think we're going to see this play out as such. I think we're going to see Bitcoin ETF, then an Ethereum ETF, and then slowly but surely we're going to be getting, opportunities to invest into, 4, 5, 6, 7 top cryptos. And I think we could even get an XRP spot ETF. And that's what we're going to talk about in this one, guys, because Yassin Mobarak, the founder of Dizzer Capital, recently outlined compelling reasons why Wall Street institutions might consider filing for an XRP spot ETF in the United States. Check this out. In a recent tweet, Mobarak suggested that Wall Street institutions should boldly explore the untapped potential of an exchange-traded fund directly investing in XRP. He expressed that such a move should be a critical consideration for them with the first mover advantage for Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs that have already been claimed. Mobarak provided a strategic perspective on XRP, emphasizing why Wall Street funds should consider an XRP spot ETF. If I were Wall Street institutional fund and saw that the first mover advantage for Bitcoin and ETH spot ETFs approval is gone, I would want to start thinking about what's next, he says, and start filing for some of those applications. So next up could be XRP. And why, right? What are the reasons why you would look at XRP? Well, first and foremost, he noted a significant pent-up demand among institutions to secure regulated positions in XRP. He highlighted the market's rapid response to fake online posts about BlackRock filing for an XRP spot ETF. I don't know if you guys remember that. And he believes the sharp price impact on XRP strongly indicates a demand for XRP ETF. I'll add another one here. It's just the opportunity cost makes sense, right? XRP, much smaller market cap, than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, 808 billion, 259 billion to 32 billion. The opportunities here are tremendous. And when you look past Bitcoin and Ethereum, you're not going to get an ETF, a spot ETF for Tether or BNB. Next up is XRP. Solana's right there as well. Solana's market cap, by the way, very, very close to overtaking XRP. We'll see if XRP can fend them off. Then you've got Cardano, Avalanche, a couple other, top layer ones down in here. But XRP is super well positioned given that it is built for the banks, built for the institutions anyway. It's a Wall Street type play. Open field for XRP spot ETFs is another reason why Mobarak highlighted that this could be something that plays out. He highlighted that unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, no institution has filed for an XRP spot ETF application yet, meaning there's a ton of opportunity right here to jump in and be first. He noted the situation presents an open field for potential market leaders. Additionally, he remarked that being the first to file could offer a strategic advantage for the Wall Street fund. And lastly, he talked about challenging the SEC. And he suggested that filing for an XRP spot ETF could be a bold move challenging the SEC after the XRP court ruling. A lot of things have went XRP and Ripple's way. This could be a good timing thing, right, to further challenge the SEC in this regard. It'd be very interesting, he says, to watch how the SEC would respond because they have not looked good in this case against Ripple so far. Specifically, he urged institutional funds with capital to consider challenging the SEC by submitting the application for an XRP ETF, daring the regulator to deny it. According to him, the legal development following such a denial would be intense, given the court ruling that XRP is not a security already and how that's played out. Moreover, Mobarak argued that the risk-to-reward ratio here for an XRP spot ETF is super compelling. I agree with this. In particular, he contended that the prospect of the SEC avoiding additional legal battles might favor an XRP ETF approval. Ultimately, he envisions a scenario where an approved XRP spot ETF triggers both an avalanche and a snowball effect in the overall market. especially for altcoins, guys, because this would be just a domino effect. I think if an XRP spot ETF were approved, look out. The floodgates open for a ton of other altcoins to have similar packages offered there to institutional investors. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. I think it's really fascinating. It's an interesting idea, and I certainly wouldn't write this off at this point, considering just how big this could be. I want to hear you guys' thoughts down below. And if you got some value out of this video, let me know by smashing the like button and subscribing if you have not yet done so. We'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you're off to a fantastic week. We'll be here all week long with a ton of videos. See ya.